What's up, guys? It's time to talk about something serious and personal here on the channel. Let's do it. If you're a subscriber here on the channel for the past, I would say 2 years now, I've been posting video consistently about Final Cut Pro tutorials, especially after the pandemic situation. As you probably know, I'm on the ship. I am a hip hop dancer, and in that time I didn't have any other thing to do. So I always love the fact that I could create my own dance videos and produce and make something out of nothing. So I started making videos probably like 13 years ago, and after I started learning Final Cut Pro, I got more and more deep in this lifestyle, and I can finally say that I can produce a high quality content and work. Not making a living yet, but I'm just growing, expanding, and I just love to share a little bit of my knowledge, everything that I know and everything that I learned on this past 12 years. And I feel like Final Cut Pro was one of those tools that made me inspired to create videos on YouTube and share my experience for you guys, because my goal was to share and help you as quick as possible with tutorials straight to the point. And I feel like after all this time that I put, all this work, all these things, I learned so much and I expand so much my editing skills, and I'm very grateful, very thankful for this tool. But for the past couple of months, I felt like I hit a wall and I could not expand anymore. I know there is a lot of things that I can learn and still like teach you little things here and there, especially for beginners. There is always something new to teach. But I think for my personal goals, I was limited with that platform, and I didn't feel any fulfillment for me to create videos anymore about Final Cut Pro. That's why I decided to try DaVinci Resolve, because I didn't have anything to lose, you know what I mean? And I like the challenging. I like to challenge myself with new things, to expand, to have that little something that I don't know how to do or how to use, so I need to figure it out and just make something. And I think DaVinci Resolve was this new tool for me, and I feel like I don't have anything else to share with you. If I was sharing something with you about Final Cut Pro, I would be forcing myself to create those things, and I don't think it would be genuine for me to share those tutorials anymore, because I don't have anything to share with you, basically. The only thing that I can think about is multicam that I can share with you, that is something that I don't really use, but I'll be lying to myself already, because it's not something that I know how to use deeply. And that's why you see probably new videos here about DaVinci Resolve, or even other things about filmmaking stuff. How is my journey? How is gonna be my new steps? Because I'm moving to Canada and I'm gonna start creating my video production from zero. And if you have interest to learn how I'll be working with new clients, how I'm gonna be able to expand this career, how I'm gonna do it, because I still don't know how I'm gonna do that, but am I gonna be able to share a little bit with you here? So if you have interest, just let me know in the comment down below. And if you don't, you might gonna see some videos here as well, because I just want to produce something that's nice for me and that I feel inspired to share with you, you know what I mean? Because even on this short period of time working with tutorials, filmmaking and tech review was something that I got to expand even in a short period of time. And I was very blessed to be able to work with some brands, Rode, Nanlite. Now new brands is gonna come. I'm not gonna be able to share with you right now, but I know they have some nice projects coming. And Moza, so all these brands, they gave me a vote of trust, and I'm very happy to be able to create this long-term partnerships with them and sharing my experience, because I've been using for a long time, and that's what I'm looking for here with this channel. It's create this solid community or trust, because I feel like I want to share things that I genuinely like and care and use, and at the same time making a living, because that's my goal, to be able to live out of filmmaking, and I think we'll be able to make it. It's just a matter of time now, and that's why I'm doing this video for you, because I need your help. I need you to understand that I'm in a new step, and if you see DaVinci Resolve tutorial, it's not because I don't want to create Final Cut Pro stuff. It's because I don't have anything else to share with you. Or even if Final Cut Pro comes with new updates, new things, new tools, I would be happy to share with you if something that's useful, is something that's gonna speed your workflow, because that's the goal. It's something that is gonna help you, you know what I mean? So don't be afraid of new tutorials here. If you see, you don't need to unsubscribe, you know what I mean? If you want, feel free to unsubscribe, but you just be aware that it's gonna be new things. And if you wanna learn with me, I'm learning from the zero as well. So it's something that's very new, very challenging. And if you wanna jump with me, you can download the free version. I have a lot of quick tutorials, just like I'm doing for Final Cut Pro, but I'm doing for DaVinci Resolve. Same thing, but different program. And I'm very surprised, very happy about it. The switch was challenging, but was very good, because there is a lot of tools, a lot of different things that's very, very helpful that Final Cut Pro don't have. So yes, that's why I'm here to share, to open with you. And if you're thinking to make the switch, let me know. I'm very excited to chat with you and just have a connection with you guys, because I'm very, very happy to have 4,000 subscribers now. I know it's just a little bit, but it's very nice every time that you open the page to see a new subscriber, a new comment, a new like. That is just a little bit of recognition of the time, the work, the research, and everything that I put here on the channel. So thank you very much, guys, for supporting the channel, and stay tuned for more videos.